Have you ever thought about selling digital products online until you actually try to figure out what to sell, where to sell it, and who to sell it to? Because then you're suddenly stuck. You're overthinking your niche. You're wondering if you need to create a huge course. Maybe you're questioning whether anyone would even buy from you since you're brand new. Or maybe you're thinking, who am I to sell a digital product when I don't have a big audience or tech knowledge or tons of experience? If that's you, this video is going to make things a whole lot simpler. Because the truth is, some digital products are way easier to sell than others, especially when you're just getting started. And if you pick the right kind of product from day one, you can make your first sales faster, build confidence faster, and avoid wasting weeks or months creating something too complicated that nobody buys. So in this video, I'm going to break down 3 digital products that always sell, even if you're new, for 2026. So I'm also going to tell you which one I recommend the most for beginners if you want to create your own digital product, and what I recommend if you don't want to create your own product from scratch. Let's get into it. So the biggest mistake that I see beginners making is creating a product that is way too broad and complicated. Something like how to be successful online, or how to be more confident, or how to grow your business. And that sounds nice, but they don't usually sell well because they're too vague. People buy solutions to specific problems. So instead of trying to help everyone with everything, you want to solve one specific problem for one specific person. Okay, so instead of how to make money online, you could create how busy moms can make full-time income online selling one digital product. Okay, instead of how to grow on Instagram, you could create how coaches get more leads from Instagram stories in 15 minutes a day. Okay, that is so much easier to sell because it feels clear, relevant, and immediately useful. So as I walk you through these 3 types of products, keep this in mind. Specific sells, broad gets ignored. Okay, you've probably heard before, the riches are in the niches. Okay, so that just means like get specific about what you're selling and who you're selling to. Okay, so let's get into the 3 types of digital products. The first product is a video course. Okay. The first digital product that sells consistently is a video course. And that is one of the most common digital products for a reason. It has a strong perceived value. It's easy for buyers to understand, and it works really well when it solves one clear problem. So a lot of people assume that a course has to be huge or complicated or long or detailed. It doesn't. So in fact, one of the biggest mistakes people make is stuffing a course with too much information because they think that more lessons automatically means more value. But usually less is more with a course. Okay, people do not want 47 modules if they can get the results in 5 short lessons. Okay, your goal is not to create the biggest course. The goal is to create the clearest and fastest path to a result. So instead of making a giant course on starting an online business, you could make something like how to build your first digital product funnel in 1 weekend, or how to create 30 days of Instagram content with ChatGPT, or how to launch your first coaching offer without creating a website or social media following. Okay, that kind of course is easier to market because the promise is obvious. And no, you do not need a professional studio, expensive camera, custom set, or fancy editing. You can record a course with your iPhone or a simple webcam. I use the webcam that is built into my iMac. Just like a simple Canva presentation with a voiceover if you don't want to record your face, or if it's helpful to have slides. I use a free software called OBS that lets me record my screen and a webcam video of me at the same time. And that's the software that I'm using now. Okay, you're able to put up pictures, you're able to add things to the screen. It's very simple to use and it's free. So a lot of people think that what they think that they need before they can sell a digital product is really just procrastination that's disguised as preparation. So you don't need to be a full video production company or a guru with a million followers to help someone solve a problem. All right, digital product number 2, a bundle. These are really popular and they sell really well. When I say bundle, I mean downloadable resources that are combined into an offer or a bundle. Okay, so like PDFs, templates, checklists, scripts, planners, workbooks, swipe files, prompts, spreadsheets, Canva templates. Those are all resources that can be bundled into something that solves a specific problem for someone. Okay, and this one's a great option because people love practical tools that save them time. But here's an important difference here. With a video course, less is often more. People don't want to watch a million videos, okay? But with a bundle, more is usually more. So if someone sees 3 caption templates, that feels okay. But if they see 100 caption hooks, 50 call to action ideas, 30 real prompts, a fill in the blank content calendar, and a plug and play caption template, now it feels like a no brainer. And why is that? Because the value to price ratio feels really strong. And that's why bundles tend to sell better than a single PDF. So if you create a PDF or a resource-based product, make it feel robust and useful. Okay. These products do well when they help someone save time, reduce overwhelm, and get a quick win. So the third digital product is a live or recorded training, workshop, or masterclass. You can pick which word you want to use there, okay? Training, workshop, masterclass, they're pretty much all the same. So this is actually my favorite recommendation for beginners who want to create their own digital product. And a live or recorded training or workshop or masterclass is one of the fastest and easiest digital products to create and sell. Why? Because it's basically like a video course, but simpler. Okay. Instead of building multiple lessons, you create one focused training with one specific promise. And that makes it faster to create, easier to launch, easier to sell, less overwhelming. This is the sweet spot for beginners. Because if you're new, you probably don't need a giant signature course right away. Okay? You need momentum, and a workshop or masterclass gives you that. You can host it live on Zoom or Google Meet and sell the replay after, or you can pre-record it and sell it as a masterclass from day one. This works especially well because buyers love a product that promises a specific transformation without feeling huge or intimidating. Okay, it feels actionable, it feels doable, it feels easier to say yes. So if you want to create your own digital product, this is what I recommend starting with first. And the great thing is that after you start selling your masterclass, you can eventually turn it into a full course or a signature course and use that as an upsell or next product if you want. Okay, so if you do not want to create your own digital product from scratch, then my recommendation is to start with a done for you video course with master resale rights. Okay, so that just means that the product is already created for you and you have the legal right to resell it and keep 100% of the profits. And this is exactly why master resale rights courses can be so beginner friendly. Because when you're brand new, sometimes the hardest part isn't just like selling, it's all the stuff before the sale. You have to choose the topic, outline the content, create the product, design the assets, set everything up, and then also wonder if it's good enough and or if anyone will actually buy. With a done for you course, all of that is already done. Okay, you're not starting from a blank page. And no, this does not mean that you need to be super tech savvy or already experienced with digital products. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. Okay, a lot of beginners think like, I'm not good at tech, or I've never sold digital products before. Like, how am I going to sell someone else's? Or I need to create something totally original first, and you don't. Okay, a done for you MRR course, it can be an amazing place to start because it allows you to focus on learning, but also gives you a chance to start earning without putting in a ton of upfront time and energy and money. Okay, you're able to learn digital marketing, messaging, content, selling, basic systems and automations without having to do market research or build the product from scratch and get testimonials and social proof. Okay, this is a huge advantage when you're trying to get your first sales quickly. And personally, I think it's one of the reasons this model helps so many beginners build confidence fast. You get to start with a real product, real assets, and a real path to income instead of spending months creating something and hoping that it sells. So at the end of this video, I'm going to share exactly how I made $15,300 in 30 days selling one master resale rights digital product as the total beginner. So a few common mindset blocks. Let's clear up a few things that stop way too many people from getting started. Okay. One is I need a professional backdrop. Like, no, you don't. You need natural light, a clean corner, or a simple screen recording is enough. Okay. Just get started. Another objection, I need complex editing. Like you need a professional editor. No, clear content beats fancy editing. Okay. Just natural light and clear audio is enough. Another one, I need to be an expert. You need to be able to help someone get a result. That's it. You just need to be 2 steps ahead of the person that you're trying to help. And if you struggle with imposter syndrome, you can always just sell a done for you master resale rights digital product first. Just be sure to follow the criteria that I mentioned in the next video so that you pick the most profitable MRR product. Okay, another objection, the market is too saturated. Broad markets feel saturated. Okay, specific solutions stand out. And also, just for reference, in 2023, people were already saying that the digital content creation market was saturated or crowded, and it was valued at 28 billion. Now it's projected to cross 100 billion in 2033. So, no, the market is not too saturated. Okay, and the last one I want to give you is I need a huge audience. Okay, no, you need the right solution for the right person more than you need a huge following. A small audience with a clear problem can make you a lot of money. I promise. Okay, so which product should you choose? Here's a simple breakdown. If you want to create your own product and launch fast, start with a live or recorded workshop or masterclass. Okay, if you want a more scalable next step or your solution is a little bit more complex, create a video course. If your audience wants tools, templates, or quick wins, create a bundle. Okay. And if you don't want to create your own product from scratch, start with a done for you video course. Okay. With master resale rights. Again, I share the exact master resale rights course that I use to make over $15,000 in my first month as a beginner in the next video coming up right after this one. So I also share the most important criteria to look for if you're going to sell a done for you digital product, because not all courses are created equal. Okay. The key is not picking the fanciest product or the most glamorous one. Okay. The key is picking a product that is easiest and fastest for you to launch and the easiest for your audience to say yes to. And that usually means one specific problem, one specific person, one clear promise. So if you want help figuring out your niche, your audience, and which product makes the most sense for you, grab my Digital Freedom Business Blueprint. Inside, I break down the exact steps that I took to choose my target audience, my niche, the best, and you can even get the best product for you. So you can get a free copy in the link below. I also give you in this 10 profitable niches and 40 profitable digital product ideas for 2026. So if you want to see how this can work in real life, um, watch the next video right here that shows you exactly how I made $15,300 in my first 30 days selling one online course. I teach you the step-by-step how to choose the most profitable digital product. And when you pair what you just learned with what's in this next video, it's going to be a lot more powerful. So I will see you in the next video.